Hello guys, and for today's video I'll be showing you on how to open an account online using this Union Bank app. The good thing about this app is that it's 100% online, no initial deposit, no maintaining balance, and you only need one valid ID for verification purposes. So first, punta tayo sa ating Play Store, type natin Union Bank online, and then install natin. So naka-install na ako guys, so ito na yung app. So let's open. Ito na, so next lang tayo, then get started. Open an account, savings account with debit card. Ito yung i-choose ko, then continue. So ito yung mga choices na account na gusto nyo guys. So in my case, I will choose personal savings. So click natin and then select. So ito yung mga valid IDs na tinatanggap nila. There's passport, driver's license, SS, PRC, postal ID, and UMID. And the next, so ito yung terms and conditions and privacy ng bank. Basahin nyo kung gusto nyo, and then accept. So ito na guys, input lang natin yung ating email address and yung contact number. Importante ito guys kasi dito sila mag-send ng OTP sa atin. Click next, input the OTP. Wait lang tayo ng konti. So ito na yung personal information natin. First name, middle name, and last name. Tapos yan, ang birth date ninyo. Pagkatapos nyo ma-fill up tong personal info nyo guys, is yung gagawin nyo is i-next nyo lang. Next. Ayan. So dito, i-create tayo ng username and password. Depende sa inyo. Yung madali nyo matandaan, hindi nyo talaga nakakalimutan. Pagkatapos nyo, tap next. Present your citizenship, civil status, continue lang. I-input nyo lahat ng mga info dyan. Your mother's maiden name, and then next, your present address. Importante ito guys na ito yung present address na ibibigay nyo is dun talaga kayo nakatira, dahil if ever mag-request kayo ng ATM card, dun din nila yun i-deliver. So make sure na tama yung address na ilalagay nyo at saka yung valid ID. Same sila dapat ng address. Ayan, pagkatapos ma-fill up yun, so next lang, and then financial information. So I'll choose unemployed kasi mas kukonti lang yung fill upan mo kaysa dun i-click mo, i-choose mo yung employed, madami kasi. So ano yung purpose mo? Opening an account, so choose personal savings, and then yung estimated monthly transaction, and then next. So ito na. After nun, so guys, kung ano yung ID na meron ka, so yun na i-click mo. Sa akin, passport, so i-click mo passport, and then after that, kukunan ka nila ng picture. And then ito na, kailangan mong pirmahan. 3 beses kang pipirma dito, guys. Next, pagkatapos mong 3 pirma, next mo lang, and then review mo yung mga information mo, check mo kung tama lahat. Tapos mo ma-check yan lahat. So, i-click lang natin tong agree, I agree. And then, submit. So, ayan na guys. Okay na ang ating application. Wait lang tayo ng 24 to 48 hours dahil mag-i-email sila sa atin dun sa email address na binigay mo. So, thank you guys for watching.